Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo and I'm here today to introduce you to our brand new Create and Make launch. This is the Pretty Pagoda Gift Box. So we have another Create and Make launch for you. This one hopefully is going to satisfy some of your oriental requests that we've been getting. So this is the Pretty Pagoda, and you can see I am surrounded by little pagodas here. Let's have a look at the die set first of all and see what you're getting. Now, as this is coming directly from us, of course you will be getting your magnetic sheet and wallet ready to put it straight into your binder for storage. And then here is your die set. As it is a Create and Make, it is your little square die set, full instructions inside, and this is what we're getting. Very simple, as I think probably at this point you've probably realised all of our Create and Makes are. You've got your base panel, you've got the extra kind of pagoda roof situation that's going on here, and then this is the lid, and you simply cut 4 of each of these to make a layer and a lid. And then you can stack this as high as you want. You can go wild if you have lots of little gifts that you want to put in. You just keep cutting more layers. You do have some additional decorations in this as well. So you can see the lid panel and the little extra roof panel both have this almost like a trellis work or a brickwork type pattern. And then in the actual side panel, you have this little scene that's almost like a tree. I'll see if I can find one with it on that we can have a look at shortly. You've then got a coin, a lucky coin. We've got this lovely bonsai tree. There's some cherry blossoms in here. And we've got a little dragon as well. So very in keeping decoration and lots of little elements that you can add on as well. So a nice simple die set for you for this one. Let's have a look then at some of the makes that the design team have put together so you can see this a little bit closer. I'll start by finding the ones on the packaging for you. So we have this one. So a lovely classic red and gold going on here. So you can see we've got this lovely little pagoda sort of roof shaped panel that goes onto each layer. You've got your square lid that comes off like that, and you can see that little bonsai tree that has actually been coloured with alcohol markers, I think, on this one. Yes, just to finish that off. And then there is your first layer. And these all just then unstack. So this one is a 3-layer gift box. You can see all 3 layers are there. And this is the gift box that you end up with. So to give you some size, we are looking at 3¼ inches square. And then height-wise, we're just under 2 inches from this level to the base. So it's a good size gift box. You've got plenty of space in there to put little treats and gifts and things, or tuck money in, things like that. And to stack it all back up again, you literally just slot 1 layer inside the other, just like so. And you have rebuilt your pagoda. I wish building a pagoda in real life was that easy. I'm sure a lot of people do too. So that's the first one that we had on the packaging, and the other one, if I can reach it, is just over here in this beautiful kind of, I guess, jade green colour. So you can see lots of these lovely little flowers. They've actually been shaped, so they're not really like the cherry blossoms. They've been shaped into smaller flowers instead. We've got that lucky coin on here. Where can I get this in focus? Somewhere here. Yeah, there we go. And then a nice combination of, like I say, kind of the ocean blue with the yellow underneath. And you can just see that little pattern on the side panel in there. If I lift that out, you may be able to see it that little easier. Very, very sweet. So those are the ones that are on the packaging, but then we have so many more from the design team. So let me show you a few of these. This one is from Angela, and she has made this lovely brown and gold inspired ones. Got that lucky coin up here again and a little dragon. Very sweet. Beautiful flowers on all of the points of the roofs as well. And I do like that the roof actually has that little kick at the edge as well to give it that real oriental feel. Very sweet. I've got a very classic black and red and gold one here. This is from Roche. So beautiful classic colour pairing on that one. Nice 3 tiers again with your little square lid on the top. I've got a slightly different one here. So this has been done with a pink base, but then using the vintage vignettes papers that we released recently, just to give it a slightly different look. So we've got papers on the side panels as well, and then paired that with, I want to say this is rose platinum mirror card as well, which is very pretty. Like that one, and that one is from Roche. Of course it is, it's in pink, I should have known. A very jade inspired one here from Angela. Lots of beautiful gold glitter card on here. We've got that lovely red and jade and gold going on, little dragons around the top as well. And then just adding the little flowers around the edges. Very, very sweet. I like that a lot. What else I have? I've got another pink creation over here. No name on this one, so if this is yours, please do claim it. Or hold on, maybe it's on the other layer. Let me just double check where these have been moved around for photography. Yeah, it is. This one is from Chablis. So again, Chablis has actually gone with pattern paper. This is again the vintage vignettes paper with another pink and pearlescent white card this time, which is a nice touch. And then little flowers on the edges and the lucky coin around the roof as well. What else do I have here? This one is from Angela. Again, I love this. This colorway is beautiful. It's like a pale blue and some red with gold. Beautifully decorated. I like the little dragon just sat in here as well. My alternates look in different versions. Very nice. And there's one just over here. Can I reach it? This is from Chablis again. This is a very pretty one in browns, some pumpkin orange in there, and I want to say that's like honey gold satin mirror card as well. Very, very nice with that little bonsai tree. Just pieced back together, so cut in, I'm going to say that's our oyster luster ombre glitter card, and then the sort of leaf part, oh my goodness, the leaf part just cut in some regular green glitter, snipped out and stuck over the top. Very, very nice. And then we do have a couple that have been made slightly differently. So you can see on this one, it sits flat, the base is nice and flat, and it has that little pergola roof. You do also have the option to make it as just like a little gift box like this. Where is my point count? It all looks blurry here. Does that look good? Thank you. So another one done in pattern papers, and it looks completely different, I think, when it's made like this. So using this section at the top, that is where your lid sits into, but flipped upside down to make a little stand to go underneath. You've still got that lovely square lid on the top, and this one is actually filled with beautiful scented candles. But I think the difference between that gift box and that gift box, so you know, if you didn't want to add in all of the kind of oriental theming, if that was not your thing or not suitable for the gift that you wanted to give, you can just make it into a nice little square gift box. And again, you can still stack this as well, which I think is very cool. And I have a second one. So this one is from Angela. This one, oh, they're both from Angela. She obviously had some pattern paper that she wanted to use. I think this is, oh, what was this one? Dusky Rose. I knew it was one of the roses. Thank you. Yeah, Dusky Rose paper. Very pretty. These could almost be like dressing table boxes. You know, if you had like cotton wool or cotton buds or something like that on your dressing table, something like that, or hair bubbles, whatever. Very, very sweet. And I do have one more that's been done in pattern paper at the front as well, if I can reach it. I'll give it a try. This one is from Roche. So Roche has put the little pergola roof on this time, but she has also added the little feet as well. And I really like that. Again, giving it a slightly different look. So rather than it having the flat base, it then stands up on its own. So lots and lots of different ways that you can make this, and like I said, you can stack this pretty much as high as you want. Just be aware obviously that it is only cardstock, so don't put anything too heavy in there if you are making it into 10 tiers or something. So that is our create and make for this month, the Pretty Pagoda. It is available now on our website, so go and grab one for yourself. £14.99 or $14.99 including your magnetic sheet, which I think is an absolute bargain, honestly. You can of course pay in installments on our websites if you would like to. ClearPay, or no, not ClearPay, PayPal, ShopPay and Klarna, or at least one of those will be available for you at checkout, so you can spread the cost. You can of course add in as much as you want into a single basket and do that as well. You do of course get your TCK discount, so if you are a subscriber to our Tonic Craft Kit, you will get your 10% discount even on a die set that is only $14.99. You get another 10% off that. It's an amazing deal. Definitely subscribe to our kit if you haven't already. It is the best value kit, in my opinion, around. If you do grab this, don't forget to tag us in your makes. We would love to see how you style your pagoda. Are you going to stack it super tall? Are you going to add the feet? Are you going to put the little pagoda roof on, or are you going to leave that off? Do show us. You can put those on our Tonic Studios official Facebook group, or we are across social media. We are at Tonic Studios basically everywhere, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!